Hello, good day. How are you today? Okay, that is very good. Are we ready for today's lesson? Today, in basic science, we are going to be learning about human circulatory system. First, let's know what the human circulatory system is all about. Okay, are we ready for today's lesson? Okay. The human circulatory system is like a complex highway system within our body. It includes our heart, blood vessels, and blood. Okay? Just as roads and highways allow cars to travel and deliver things, the circulatory system carries blood throughout your body. This blood delivers oxygen, nutrients, and other essential materials to every part of your body to ensure that it gets what it needs properly to function. So the human circulatory system is like your body's transportation system to make sure that everything goes where it should to keep you alive and well. So we are first of all going to be looking at the blood. Remember, we mentioned the blood. The circulatory system includes the blood vessel, your heart. So we are first of all going to be looking at the blood. Blood is a special fluid that flows through our bodies. It's like a river that carries important things to every part of our body. Blood is red, but it can come in different shades from bright red to dark red. Blood is made up of three main components: the red blood cell, white blood cell, and plasma. Red blood cell carry oxygen and look like tiny donuts. They are like oxygen delivery truck. Okay? Then white blood cell help fight off infections and are like the body's defenders. The plasma is the liquid part that carries the cells. It's like the river that flows in our body. What are the functions of the blood? It carries oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our body. It brings food and energy to our body cells. It helps clean up waste from our cells. It helps our body fight off bad germs. It helps stop bleeding when we get cut. Blood is a crucial part of the circulatory system. It's pumped by the heart through a network of blood vessels to reach every part of our body. The importance of blood is for our health and well-being. It's like the life force of our body. Okay? So blood is very essential in our body. Blood is very important for our health and well-being. Do we understand that? Okay, very good. Now we have the blood vessels. Blood vessels are like the roads that blood travels on inside our bodies. Just like roads help cars to go to places, the blood vessel help blood get where it needs to go to. Okay, so the blood vessel is just like a road where the blood passes through, where it travels through inside our body. There are three main types of blood vessels. We have the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. The arteries are like the highways that take blood away from the heart to different parts of our body. Veins are like the roads that bring blood back to the heart. Capillaries are the tiny roads that connect arteries and veins and are so small that only one blood cell can pass through at a time. Blood travels through this vessel in a big loop like a circle. It leaves the heart, goes through the arteries, moves into the capillaries, and then comes back through veins to the heart to start over again. So it's like a big loop, like a circle. From the heart it goes to the arteries, moves to the capillaries, then through the veins it comes back to the heart again to start over. Blood vessels help carry important stuff like food and oxygen to our body cells. They also help take away waste. It's like the body's delivery and garbage pickup system. Blood vessels are super important because they keep our body working. They make sure our cells get what they need. Okay? Then the heart. The heart is a special muscle inside our body. It's about the size of your fist and is located in your chest just to the left. The heart is located in your chest just to the left. The heart has a very important job. It pumps blood all around our body. It's like the engine that keeps our body moving. The heart is divided into two parts, the left side and the right side. The left side of the heart pumps blood filled with oxygen to the whole body, while the right side of the heart pumps blood with waste products to the lungs so that we can breathe them out. The heart works by squeezing and relaxing. When it squeezes, it pushes blood out. When it relaxes, it lets blood in. This keeps the blood moving in a big circle. So the heart is super important because it helps get oxygen and food to all the parts of our body. Without it, our body wouldn't get what it needs. Okay? Do we understand about the blood vessels and the hearts? Okay. The circulatory system is connected to exercise because it's a great way for us to know the importance of keeping our healthy lifestyle. So we exercising helps our heart. Exercise is like a workout for your heart and circulatory system. When you exercise, your heart pumps faster and stronger, which keeps your body healthy. There are different types of exercise like running, swimming, dancing, and even playing sports. All of them are good for the heart. The benefits of exercise is it makes your heart stronger like a muscle. It helps clear waste products from your body. it keeps your blood vessels healthy, it makes your body more efficient at using oxygen and nutrients. So exercise is like a workout for your heart and circulatory system. It helps your system. Okay, how do we maintain a healthy circulatory system? Eating healthy means eating lots of fruits and vegetables. These are like good fuel for your body. So remember to eat your fruits and veggies because it's good for your body. Okay, just like a car needs a fuel, your body needs healthy food. Moving and playing is like giving your heart exercise. It makes your heart strong. So play games, run around and have fun every day. Don't just sit at one place every day. You need to play around. It helps your heart. It makes your heart strong. Drinking water is like giving your body a drink. It helps your blood move well. So don't forget to drink water every day. You should always drink water because it helps your blood flow well. Okay? No smoking. Smoking is like blowing bad stuff into your body. It's not good for your health. So never start smoking and stay away from smoke. Never start smoking and stay away from smoke. It is bad for your heart. Okay? So maintaining your healthy circulatory system, you have to eat healthy, move and play around, drink water. Make sure you drink water every day. No smoking because it's bad for your heart. So never start smoking and stay away from smoke. Okay? Good. Less screen time. Too much screen time is like sitting too long. It's better to play and move around. So balance screen time with play time. Don't spend too much time watching TV, pressing phone. You need to move around because when you are watching TV, pressing phone, you are sitting at one place, and sitting there for too long is not good. You need to move around because we said exercise helps the system, right? So you move around. So you have to balance your screen time with your play time. Okay? Feeling good. Feeling good is like a happy heart. Talk to someone you trust when you are upset and take a deep breath to feel calm. Feeling good makes your heart happy. Checkups. Going to the doctor for checkups is like taking your bike for a check. It helps make sure everything is okay. So you always go to the doctor for checkup regularly to know if your system is okay. Okay? These are the way to maintain a healthy circulatory system. Do we understand that? Okay, that is very good. So today we learned about the healthy circulatory system. So this is our assignment, right? We'll be able to do that, right? Good.